Since 2023, health services once provided at the Castries Health Center were redirected to the Laclery and Enchipo Health Centers after the Castries facility was deemed structurally unsound. At a press briefing on December 16, 2024, Health Minister Honorable Moses Jean-Baptiste explained that the decision was necessary because the facility was reportedly unfit to accommodate patients, staff, or visitors. He added that the government will determine the future of the building.
Reports have indicated that the building which housed the Castries Health Center is not structurally sound, and also this building, unless some major rehabilitation is done to it, should not be used to house professionals or be used to house patients or clients. We had to take a decision to discontinue services at the Castries Health Center at the current location. These services were diverted to the Laclery Health Center and the Enchipo Health Center.
To relieve the pressure on smaller health facilities, the government inaugurated the Dr. Betty Wells Urban Polyclinic in 2024 at the former Victoria Hospital. The new facility consolidates all services from the former Castries Health Center, with plans to introduce additional services in the near future.
All of the Castries Health Center services will be at the Dr. Betty Wells Urban Polyclinic, and there will be more services because we are adding urgent care. And very soon, we will be having emergency care at the newly refurbished emergency care center.
Residents had voiced frustration over congestion at Laclery and other health centers during the closure of the Castries Health Center. The ministry is currently monitoring patient transitions to the new polyclinic and expects to provide updated figures by the end of the week.
The services that are now being provided at the Dr. Betty Wells Urban Polyclinic will help to ease the pressure at Laclery. Our officials are assessing the situation because today is the first day, and hopefully by the end of the week we should be able to give figures to show that individuals have transferred to the Dr. Betty Wells Urban Polyclinic.
The health minister also announced plans for refurbishments to the waiting area at the Dr. Betty Wells Urban Polyclinic, along with changes to the format of the Dr. Winston C. Paris Medical Complex, previously known as Victoria Hospital.
The whole layout of the Sir Winston Paris Medical Complex will be changed. The security booth, the waiting area, the car park, all of this will be changed. And in the next few months, you will see a transformation of what we used to know as Victoria Hospital into the Sir Winston Paris Medical Complex. And all of these have been worked on. So when this happens, you may see a change in the waiting area. We are going to augment it. We are going to make it more comfortable.
He emphasized the government's commitment to ensuring that Sanusians do not experience delays in accessing services during the ongoing infrastructure developments.
Did not want Sanusians to be waiting for services while we complete the whole infrastructure. So that is why for a couple of weeks now, we have started services at the National Eye Clinic, which houses the Cuban Eye Clinic and the Diabetic Retinopathy Clinic. Services have started there. And this morning, December 16th, 2024, we started services at the Dr. Betty Wells Urban Polyclinic.
The Prime Minister's office is working alongside the Ministry of Health to improve accessibility, including the donation of a new minibus specifically for senior citizens requiring transport to the polyclinic. Chloe Dantes, NBC Prime.